These are some basics for starting the UCM and writing code in Scratch files. First, we need to get the Unison executable. I've installed Unison via Homebrew, so my command is brew install unison-lang, but we've got a variety of install options for Mac, Linux, and Windows. Just make sure the executable is included on your path. In your terminal, cd into a directory where you'll be working. Mine is just called Unison Demos. The exact working directory location is less important in Unison than in other languages, since Unison code is not stored or organized on the file system. But it should be a directory where you can create files. The second thing we need is a text editor. I'm using VS Code since support for the Unison VS Code extension is great, but you can use any text editor of your choosing. To start working, enter UCM in your current directory. This starts the Unison Codebase Manager. The Codebase Manager, or UCM for short, is the interface to all your Unison code. It's the tool which compiles and ingests the Unison programs you write and records their history as you make changes. You can enter help in this console for a list of things you can do, or get more information about any one of these commands, like help push. One Unison codebase houses multiple projects. You can see that my codebase has some that I've created and a few that I've cloned from others for collaboration. Those are prefixed with the @ symbol. So the UCM has started and is watching for code that I'm going to write in a Scratch file. A Scratch file is any file which ends in the .u suffix. I started the UCM in unison/demos, so my Scratch file will go here. There's nothing special about the name of this file, except its suffix. Now, in my Scratch file, let's add a definition. And let's also tell Unison to evaluate it in a watch expression with this symbol here. If I save the Scratch file, I can see the UCM respond in the console with my new definition and the result of the watch expression, so I know I'm set up to write Unison code. Working in Unison will entail moving between the UCM console and these Scratch files, but you might find that you miss a more traditional view of your project structure. Be sure to download the UCM desktop app, which provides a graphical interface to your codebase. If you run into any problems with your Unison setup, stop by the Unison Discord and we'll get you sorted.